Hello, good morning, you guys. What's up? It's currently 11:30 and I got out of the shower. My hair is still wet and आज मैं काफी late उठी हूँ. Like I woke up at around 10. My morning routine has been a mess lately. So there are some changes happening in my room, like very mini changes, and मैंने room का position वगैरह भी change किया है. So let me show you that. Now first of all, the white curtains, my favorite white curtains, have been removed and replaced with these like mauve purplish kind of curtains. So as you can see, यहाँ पे हर जगह से curtains white वाले replace होके ये purplish mauve वाले लग चुके हैं. We bought this recently and it matches the room so nicely, and these are actually very thick curtains. तो ये पूरा blackout सा इफेक्ट दे देता है. So I've switched off all the lights and मैंने curtains लगाए हैं just to show कि कितना dark होता है. And these are not even blackout curtains. It's just कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा thick है, उसकी वजह से look at how dark it is, and just imagine waking up to this. And this is broad daylight. It's currently 12. Think about waking up at 8 o'clock. उस टाइम पे तो आजकल स्पेशली तक gloomy weather रहता है. Also I'm pretty sure I'm going to have questions regarding where these curtains are from. So I'm so sorry, but these are actually from a local decor store. The biggest change is obviously my bed, which I have yet to make, so do not mind that. पहले if you remember, my bed was placed here and यहाँ पे मैंने इसको अब लगा दिया है. This was actually like during the first few years when I lived in this room, like not few actually, during the majority of my life, ये बेड का प्लेसमेंट ऐसी था बिकॉज दिस इज़ हाउ इट्स सपोज टू बी. बट आई शिफ्टेड इट देयर बिकॉज मुझे यहाँ पे शूट के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पेस मिल जाता था. लेकिन अब मैंने इसको वापस लगा दिया है फॉर सम चेंज. इसके अलावा दिस रिक्लाइनर यूज्ड टू बी देयर. ओके, लेट्स मेक द बेड फर्स्ट. डू टेल मी इन द कॉमेंट्स कि आपको बेड का प्लेसमेंट कहाँ ज़्यादा पसंद था, अगेंस्ट दिस वॉल और अगेंस्ट द विंडोज. ऑल्सो इट्स सो ग्लूमी आउटसाइड दीज डेज एंड ऐसे मौसम में काम करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता. प्लीज टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स आई एम नॉट द ओनली वन. Let's start our makeup. So I don't know when this video will go up, like I'm not sure about the timeline, but recently I took a video break, like एक या दो videos का, not even sure कितना लंबा मेरा break जाएगा. So since the past week or something, I've actually not even created any content and I've been feeling really demotivated lately. Currently I'm feeling very stuck in life, like बहुत ज़्यादा monotony सी लग गई है. I'm not feeling creatively charged. I'm so grateful for you, like you all have no idea. But still, like obviously you need growth in every field. Like you need growth in your life, you need growth in YouTube and social media. And उसी की वजह से मुझे आजकल ऐसा लग रहा है कि is it even worth it? Did I take the right decision 2 years back when I decided to start YouTube? Obviously, questioning your decisions, again I would like to mention here, is very normal. Like questioning it does not mean that I'm going to leave YouTube or anything. It's just कि बीच में when I get into that overthinking mode, I start to question everything, and I wanted to talk to you about that. Also, did I show you these two new guests who are living rent free in my cheek? Especially this one. ये ऊपर वाला जो पिंपल है ये तो अब बैठ चुका है, इसका सिर्फ मार्क बचा है. But then this lower one, this is so big right now, it's gigantic. And on top of that, it is paining like anything. I can't even sleep on this side, पता है, क्योंकि इसमें इतना दर्द हो रहा है. So these guys are living rent free, just like all my stressful thoughts. You know, I've been so stressed out lately, and what has been helping me, like what helped me yesterday specifically, just writing down all my thoughts. मतलब कोई structured way में, just writing it all down. जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है, जो भी is messing with my head, like any thought which is messing with my head, I just wrote it all down, and it actually helped free up a lot of space. And उसके बाद I felt so good. And थोड़ा सा लगा कि declutter हो गया है mind, because when you're overthinking, like there are 1,000 thoughts racing on your head and it just feels so cluttered in your head. I mean, I don't know if I'm just like rambling at this point or you're just getting what I'm trying to say. I hope you are. But कल वो सारे thoughts लिख के मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा help हुआ. I took my notes app and मैंने उसमें सब कुछ लिख दिया, and it just felt so good. Where's my phone? Let me read you read out something that I wrote yesterday. This feels very vulnerable. I don't know if I'm even going to keep this part in the vlog. Let's see. So I wrote that this number game will always affect you to some degree, but it's up to you to not let this be your only source of either happiness or sadness. I think that is the ultimate hack here. Matlab, don't derive your happiness also from the numbers and your sadness also. So yes, I'm going to try to be more mindful about these things, like not stressing about just the numbers all the time, and focus more on the content, which obviously I do. I focus a lot on the content, but still थोड़ा सा speech में numbers पे ज़्यादा focus करने लगी थी, and I had to pull myself back from that state. But now I think I should stop rambling, stop talking about this, and आज I'm feeling good, so don't worry about me. I'm feeling much better. Now I'll quickly do my makeup because अब बहुत ज़्यादा late हो जाएगा, and अभी वैक्सीन लगाने भी जाना है. So let me do my makeup, and you'll enjoy this time lapse.
Unless you're gonna tear me right off my body, bury it. Sometimes we might get upset and say some things we regret. But if you come and get it, we can make the fighting worth it. We can make the fighting worth it.
So this is how it turned out. I went for like very pinky, mauve, neutral kind of tones. And abhi mujhe apne, like, I have to do my hair and change into my outfit and shoot a video. Just let me decide what to wear and look at my closet. Look at how messy it has become. So let me put something together and I'll show you the outfit. And this is the outfit that I chose. Obviously don't mind the bottom part because if top half visible hoga, so I did not change my shorts. But I went with this crop top and I've cropped it even further. And उसके top पे मैंने ये blazer पहना है. Also, you remember जब इसका haul किया था, I told you that इसका pockets are like they don't have pockets. But then a lot of you told me in the comments that the pockets are actually stitched for sanitary reasons, which is quite genius. Now I wanted to test out a hack. So मैंने ये हैक बहुत टाइम से देखा था. Since blazer में ना I like to keep my sleeves up like this. So basically you take like these hair ties and you just like यहाँ पे hair tie लगा लो like this and you pull this up. Bam! You've got this crunched up sleeve, and I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty good. And obviously it won't fall क्योंकि elastic काफी tight है. So such a nice hat. So this is the fit so far. Now I think I need to add jewelry to it, like some sort of gold jewelry element, because I really like gold tones with this beige kind of vibe. Remember, I recently organized all my jewelry in these boxes. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'll link it in the bottom bar. Should I go with these? I think these would look really good. I love it. Okay, so the first option are these earrings. Then I need something big. I need something statement piece. Nah, ये वाले तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. These statement earrings. I'll link these in the description bar. These have a pearl here and ये. Okay, even these look really good. Like if I want to go for a very minimal vibe, ये वाले भी काफी अच्छे हैं. So this is our second option. Also, you tell me in the comments if you were wearing this exact fit. आप क्या कौन सी choose करते हैं? These ones, like these are first and second. So tell me one or two in the comments.
2 hours later.
So I just finished my video and look at how dark it has gotten outside. Also, I love the look today, love the look of the day, and love the makeup as well. But ये earrings काफी ज़्यादा heavy हैं, so let me just like take them out first. Oh damn! इनको हटा के इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है ना. So it has started raining so hard.
We can make it. 1 minute you can drive me mad.
this hack, like this rubber band hack, I think is amazing. Also, I just realized that मैंने इसको भी पहना और इसमें टैग अभी भी लगा हुआ था. Oops.
Things we regret, but if you come and get it, we can make the fighting worth it. We can make the fighting worth it.
Off to get vaccinated. So the top is from H&M, the pants are from H&M only. I really like this monochrome lilac on lilac vibe. The mask is from a local store. This claw clip is from Amazon. I'll link it in the description. And I'm wearing a watch. That's it.
We can make the fighting worth it. We can make the fighting worth it. We can make it. 'Cause making up ain't hard to do. The second I'm in front of you, feuding puts me in the mood.
So our second dose is done. There is my brother coming right
If
there.
you like it,
So yeah, he's fully back.
perfect time.
So I'm back home. It's currently I think 5ish, like somewhere around 5, and I have to complete a little bit of work. So we went for vaccination as I told you before, and we actually went to the first center, but वहाँ पे कुछ problem आ रही थी. There was some sort of internet problem happening. तो they suggested कि या तो आप wait कर लो आधा एक घंटा या फिर you can go to some other center. So we visited another center and वहाँ पे finally we found the vaccine. ज़्यादा time भी नहीं लगा. I think it took us like maybe barely 15 minutes and we were done, and yes, I'm fully vaccinated. Also, I'm trying to like hydrate myself.
A few minutes later.
So I was just chilling right now and मुझे ना अचानक से sugar like कुछ मीठा खाने की craving हुई, and I thought I'll order waffles for myself. But then I remembered that I have this wait, let me show you if I can find it. Found it. I have this easy eggless chewy chocolate cookie mix, and ये मुझे काफी टाइम से ट्राई करना था. And let's bake some cookies. So this is from Wingreen's and it's their easy eggless chewy chocolate cookie mix. That name is a mouthful. So I have these dark compound chips and I think I'll use this and make choco chip cookies. I love choco chip cookies. They are my favorite kind and it is quite easy to make. You just need some water, butter, and choco chips. That's it.
Got the perfect outfit, but I don't plan to wear it unless you're gonna tear it right off my body, bury it. Sometimes we might get upset and say some things we regret, but if you come and get
So मैंने बहुत जुगाड़ू तरीके से कुकी मिक्सचर मिलाया है. I just followed my own recipe, which I'm sure was pretty incorrect. So if anyone out there like bakes professionally or knows how to bake, I am so sorry. I'm pretty sure this part of the video has killed you. And यहाँ पे oven preheat हो रहा है. I'm just preheating the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and I cannot find the baking tray, so I'm calling my mom and she's not picking up the phone. Found the tray finally.
and say some things we regret, but if you come and get it, we can make the fighting worth it.
The dough is quite a lot. I'll cook this in 2 batches. So I think it says 6 cookies और बन जाएंगी. And now I'll just quickly tidy this up before my mom comes and kills me. I hope it turns out good. अब मेरा बहुत मन कर चुका है कुकी खाने का.
We can make the fighting worth it. We can make the fighting worth it.
I hope you can see how huge they are becoming. Oh my god, and it was a good decision to add only 7. अच्छा मैंने enough space रखी बीच में. They are getting bigger and bigger. Oh, I'm so excited. The first batch is cooked and the second batch is ready to go. I'll give you a taste test now, and the kitchen smells heavenly. So I just sent it to my friends, and now we'll do a taste test. Moment of truth. It's really good. Also, I thought कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा sugar होगा. That's not the case. I finished the first cookie already. It's currently 7:39 and I was just uploading a reel. I made very quickly a reel on Instagram और मैंने अभी upload करी फटाफट. And बीच में मेरा Instagram भी बहुत ज़्यादा slow हो गया था. Like I stopped uploading there as well. But now I'm getting back to it. So make sure that you're following me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. It's very easy. It's at Dikshita Puneta, all small. And today was kinda like a very productive day and I feel so good right now. Like I feel so accomplished and बहुत दिनों बाद मैंने इतना सब कुछ करा है इन अ डे एंड आई एम गेटिंग माई मोटिवेशन बैक टू क्रिएट कॉन्टेंट एज वेल. सो लाइक आई काइंड ऑफ फील गुड राइट नाउ एंड नाउ आई थिंक आई विल एंड दिस व्लॉग बिकॉज अब मैं I'll have my dinner and I've ordered some chicken from outside, so I'll have that and I'll just watch like maybe a show or something. Have a great day, guys. If you're watching this at morning, have a great night if you're watching this at evening, and take care of yourself. Bye. I love you.